Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Well, good Tuesday morning. It is 20 minutes before the hour on a pretty rainy morning here on the high desert. Modest easement in the rain. It was raining fairly consistently and hard much of the night. We have a lot of standing water out there. Now we're just down to some sprinkles across the region. It isn't done with us just yet. You'll see that coming up. One word of caution, watch for a lot of standing water on our streets out there. That can complicate the drive this morning. So can some fog. We do have some fog scattered through Central Oregon. Not too much on Government Camp. They're getting some more rain showers there, but we've had fog on just about all of our other mountain roads. You can see how wet Santiam Pass is. Some light fog through there. Very dense fog on Century Drive, and we've had some fairly dense fog at Willamette Pass. It's a little bit lighter now than it has been for much of the morning. Central Oregon, not too bad by way of temperature either. 43 degrees at the Bend Airport. Keep in mind that's one of the warmer spots this morning. A gentle breeze out of the west-southwest to get the day started. Looking at some big storm activity back east, it's fairly clear through the heartland here in the Pacific Northwest and, well, actually scattered through much of the west. We have some rain that is heavy at times. Here in the northwest, we have this low pressure center that is bringing a lot of the rotation into our area. It pulls some of that moisture back around the backside of that low pressure, and we wind up with another bout of showers that's headed in our direction. You can see it just now starting to work its way down the eastern slope of the Cascades. Well, this system is going to stay put for much of the morning, and over the next 24 hours you're going to see this move off to the north-northeast. As it does so, it just changes our airflow enough that it takes a lot of the moisture with it. So we'll see our clouds break a bit on Wednesday. We'll stay cold because of this northwesterly flow of cold air, but we will see some clearer skies. Now, that's not a sign that we're already out of the woods. We are going to see another system push in late Thursday that will give us some more rain showers. In fact, we have a likelihood of rain much of the day Thursday. Well, looking at mid to upper 50s to get the day started. Excuse me, those were daytime highs yesterday. Low to mid 40s to get the day started. Some areas at the upper elevations are a little bit colder than that this morning. Future track model shows rain getting a little heavier before it starts to lighten up. It'll stay with us right till about dinner time, and then this thing will start to break. By about this time tomorrow morning, we'll be under much clearer skies. Probably not cloud-free, but much clearer nonetheless. And it looks like all of this will give us a pretty good Wednesday. Mid to upper 50s for most. We'll see a few spots that'll hit that 60-degree mark today, and tonight will be scattered through the 30s for most. For your extended forecast, modestly warmer tomorrow. It'll be chilly again on Thursday when we get those rain showers pushing through, and that will mark the end of the chilly temperatures at the end of the week. Warming going into the weekend and into next week. That's your forecast. Here is the snow report.
Your local alert weather snow report brought to you by Les Schwab Tire Centers.
Well, we're looking at two resorts that are open, Timberline and Mount Bachelor. Mount Bachelor did get an inch of new snow, and keep in mind you need reservations to be able to ski at either resort.